How to use the Glucose Predict feature in your daily diabetes management. You'll find this feature on the home screen of the Accu-Chek SmartGuide Predict app. The easy-to-read graph shows your estimated glucose values for the next 2 hours. Let's see how you could use this feature to prepare for a journey. Meet Anna. She's going to visit her brother who lives 2 hours away, so she needs to get ready for a long drive. Her priority is to avoid having low glucose while she's on the road. With a single tap, she can open the Accu-Chek SmartGuide Predict app and see how her glucose is likely to be during her upcoming journey. As Anna had breakfast and injected insulin 2 hours ago, her glucose is currently higher than her target range, and her predicted values for the next 2 hours are also slightly elevated. Anna's comfortable with the slightly high values because they mean that a low is unlikely, so she should have a safe drive. It would also be too soon to correct the values. Another injection now could overlap with the last one and increase her risk of low glucose. She'll take her insulin pen with her and check her glucose again when she gets to her brother's house to see if correction insulin is needed then. In the meantime, the Predict app will update every 5 minutes and keep her informed about her glucose levels. The Low Glucose Predict feature would warn her if low glucose is likely within the next 30 minutes. And if her glucose actually dropped below a safe level, the low glucose alarm in the Accu-Chek SmartGuide app would let her know. Anna always takes a cereal bar and some glucose tablets with her on long journeys, but it's unlikely she'll need them today. All she has to do now is put her phone in a holder so she can hear any notifications while she's driving and pull over to check the apps if needed. Anna can now relax and enjoy the drive, knowing that she is prepared for the journey and will stay informed about her glucose levels. You can find information about what to consider when using the predictions, including situations when they might be less reliable or unavailable, in the CGM Learning Center. Thank you for choosing the Accu-Chek SmartGuide CGM solution.